Good morning, my dear students. So today we will continue the chapter water. Clear? So today the first topic is sustenance of life. Life on earth is completely dependent on water. Our life is completely dependent on water. Each and every activity that we do in our life is all dependent on water. 2/3 of human body is made up of water. Clear? Our body is made up of 2/3 of water. Clear? Then various processes in our body such as digestion of food. The first activity, the digestion of food, takes place with the help of water. Then absorption of nutrients by the body. Clear? That also dependent on water. Getting rid of body wastage need water. Clear? Getting rid of body wastage also need water. Clear? We drink water to maintain the body temperature. Clear? In order to keep our body temperature normal, that means we have to drink water regularly. Clear? So water evaporates from the surface of our body in the form of sweat. So you know it very well that water evaporates from the surface of our body in the form of sweat. Clear? And it reduces heat in our body. It also reduces our body heat. Clear? It reduces our heat from our body, thus giving a cooling effect. Clear? So it gives a cooling effect to our body. So this is about the sustenance of life. Then the second one is plants and animals. How water is important. Clear? How water is important for plants and animals. Water is essential for plants. Clear? In the plants also they need water. They require it for germination of seed, for the growth, for photosynthesis, etc. Clear? That means water is required for the plants in order to germinate of seed. Clear? Then growth, then to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Clear? So for this all activities water is required by the plants. It also helps in transporting nutrients from the soil and the food from leaves to different parts of the plants. Then it also helps in transporting nutrients from the soil to the different parts of the plants. Clear? That means the roots absorb water. Clear? The roots absorb water and it is transported to the different parts of the plant body. Clear? And to different parts of the plant body, some plants like seaweed, water lily, live in water and are known as aquatic plants. There are some plants which grow in water only. Clear? That means the plants which grow in water, that is known as aquatic plants. Remember this one. The plants which grow in water only, that is known as aquatic plants. And what are the aquatic plants? Some of the examples are given here, like water lily, clear, water hyacinth, clear. These are all what you call it, the aquatic plants. They grow only in water. Clear? Animals depend on water for hydration and their bodies need water just like human beings. The human beings and the animals, their bodies are more or less same. Clear? So that means whatever, even they also require water to digest their food. Clear? As well as for the hydration of their body. Clear? Animals depend on water for hydration. Then their bodies need water just like human beings. A lot of aquatic animals like fish, clear, then turtles, clear, live in water and depend on it for their survival. There are some animals, they are completely spend their life in water only. Clear? There are some animals, they completely spend their life in water only. Clear? And these animals, mostly that you know it, that is fish, clear? They live in water only. Turtle, they live in water only. Clear? So there are some other animals also. Clear? So these animals, they are living in water throughout their life. Then another use of water is industrial use. Industrial use. Water is used in various industries such as automobile, paper, textile, and pharmaceutical industries, etc. Now see, even in the industries also water is required. Clear? Like water is used in various industries, clear, such as automobiles, clear, and paper factory, textile and pharmaceutical industries, etc. Clear? Remember these things. Water is used to run the turbines in power industry and help generate electricity. Now see, water is used to run turbines. So you know it very well in power industry, clear, and then water helps to generate electricity. Water helps to generate electricity. Now you know it very well that electricity, it has become now the most important thing in our life. That means each and every work, clear, each and every work, we not only require light at night, but there are most of the activities, clear, that we are doing with the help of electricity. Clear? So it has become the most important, what you call it, thing, clear, in our life. So water is used to run the turbines in power industry and help generate electricity. Without water, there will be no electricity. If there is no water, no electricity. Remember this. Clear? If there is no water, there is no electricity. So this is most important. Clear? So water is very most important. So we have done today sustenance of life, then plants and animals, and industrial uses. So in sustenance of life, clear, our body is completely dependent on water, and 2/3 of water is made up of water, and 2/3 of our human body is made up of water only, clear, and water. Then getting rid of our wastage. Wastage also need water, clear. We drink water to maintain our regular body temperature, clear, and water evaporates from the surface of our body in the form of sweat, and it reduces heat in our body, thus giving a cooling effect. And the second one, plants and animals. There are number of plants that grow in water only, clear, like water hyacinth, water lily, clear, even the lotus, you know it very well. These are some of the plants, they are growing only in water. That means these plants which are growing only in water, they are known as what? Aquatic plants. Similarly, there are some animals also like fish, turtles, clear, and hippopotamus. You have seen a big animal, clear. So these animals also, what you call it, they live in water, clear. So these animals are known as what? Aquatic animals. And another one is industrial use. Water is used in various industries such as automobiles, paper industry, textile, and then pharmaceutical industries, etc. Clear? And water is used to run the turbines in power industry, and water helps to generate electricity. Without water there is no electricity. Clear? So we will do this much for today. Thank you.